Call the cops from here. I can feel it.
What the hell is that? Your rubber?
Oh, I'm God.
Ow!
Damn, what am I stuck on? Hard.
You're stuck on me?
Well, not yet.
Are you recording? Yes. Stop. Can't even see me.
What, Dick? Ron Jeremy.
I'm
Ron
Melinda.
Jeremy.
That's Blue. That's your boyfriend Steven. And that's Tyler that just walked out the door.
No, I'm ugly.
Oh, you can go see Tyler.
No.
Hey, Terry.
Fuck you.
Okay.
I'd rather not. Oh, I'm a strap.
Yeah.
Yeah. Jump in it. There's no key. Oh, fuck.
How are you supposed to steal a truck?
I can hot wire. Hot wire and shit. Move. I know what I'm doing, bitch.